Welcome to your Research Business Daily Report, sponsored by CoolTool, the first pure digital market research hub. On the life of a research industry reporter, there are ups and downs, and today we've got some social media shortcomings to share. A market metrics analysis is showing that hotel customer feedback from social media is inaccurate compared with statistically significant survey research. Quote, social media cannot provide an accurate picture of guest satisfaction, end of quote, was the assessment of Market Metrics Director of Research, Dr. Jonathan Barsky. In their study, online reviews had nearly 300% more negative responses versus surveys, and positive social media generated responses were underrepresented by 35%. In the same vein, for a second time this year, a well-established research organization is raising questions about authors of social media activity. KD Payne and Partners is reporting the majority of comments and posts in social media come from bots, paid posters, or quote-unquote, the uninterested. Next, last year, RFL Communications staged a Return on Investment on Market Research conference, and afterwards, we thought ruefully that the subject may not have yet become top of mind in the industry. But now a Research Live interview with Facebook's EMEA Measurement Solutions Group lead Kathy Dykman gives us some renewed hope. You can read the piece at research-live.com. It lists 5 Facebook ROI success stories, including 3 times the ROI return for Ben & Jerry's and a 34% return for Kit Kat in the UK. Moving on, in RBDR Motions and Promotions, there are new top research executives at the Country Music Association, Senior Manager of Market Research, Nicole James, and the Buffets Incorporated Restaurant Franchise, Director of Consumer Insights, Tama Looney. Finally, as you can see, my beard is no more, so it's time to award the winner of my Bob's Beard contest. Of all our entries, the closest depiction of my 30-day bearded look, admittedly, was this. Hats off to Decipher's Jamin Brazil. However, our winner, drum roll please, is the president of Sports and Leisure Research Group, John Last, who admittedly took advantage of some inside information. My 50-year love affair with the New York Mets when he submitted this. Congratulations, John. We will be in touch with a gift selected especially for you. That's your Research Business Daily Report, sponsored by CoolTool, the first pure digital market research hub. We want to wish our American viewers a great Thanksgiving and hope that you will all join us again on Monday.